Why PropelStocks? Here are the major benefits you will get from PropelStocks. Unlimited access and downloads. Get unlimited access to all stock resources without worrying about limits or fees. PropelStocks lets you download as many images, videos, audios, and vectors as you want. No restrictions. Use our resources for any of your personal or commercial projects. This means you get unlimited access to HD stock resources that are perfect for promoting your or your client's business, products or services. Unlimited customizations. With our premium one-click image, video and music editors, you can create, edit or customize anything about any image to make it your own and unique. You can add filters, text, or any type of effect to the images. Save thousands. No paying high monthly fee to stock websites. Stop paying $500 or more per month for just one video or image. With PropelStocks, you pay only once with no hidden costs to worry about. Plus, we offer free access to our library of over 25 million photos, graphics, audio clips and videos, all royalty-free. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. Be safe, no violation of copyright laws. Use PropelStocks' library of images and videos with confidence that you're not violating any copyright laws. We only offer images and videos that are royalty-free and have been released for commercial use. Save time and energy. With PropelStocks, you don't have to jump from site to site looking for the perfect stock files for your projects. We have made it easier and faster than ever before. Search through our huge database of images and videos to find exactly what you're looking for in a matter of seconds. Free updates and forever. Get new content all the time without paying a penny or having to sign up for expensive stock platforms ever again. PropelStocks gives you access to the latest HD video clips, HD images, vectors and audio tracks every single day. Plus you get free updates forever. 24x7 support and 100% uptime guaranteed. Our team is always available to help. Whether you need help finding the perfect image or video or have a question about any of our products, we're here to assist you. Limited time. Fast action bonuses. But I am not stopping with just this, because I want you to succeed with your online business. Therefore, I am going to help you out even more by offering 5 additional bonuses that can help increase your results. They are available only if you take action now. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. And after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram, the link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online fast 2 to 4 weeks maximum.